Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore one of the most exciting features in Scala, three typed extractors for Zio Json objects. If you're working with JSON data in your Scala applications, you know how painful it can be to deal with cumbersome and error-prone parsing and serialization. But fear not, dear viewer, because today we're going to show you how to harness the power of typed extractors to make your JSON interactions a breeze. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of typed extractors and explore how they can simplify your JSON workflow. We'll cover what typed extractors are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can use them to supercharge your Zio Json objects. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to take your Scala applications to the next level. So, let's start with the basics. Then, what are typed extractors? Simply put, a typed extractor is a way to define a type-safe mapping between a JSON object and a Scala case class. With traditional JSON parsing libraries, you typically have to write boilerplate code to convert your JSON data into a usable format. But with typed extractors, you can define this mapping once and for all and let the compiler do the heavy lifting. But how does it work? Well, when you define a typed extractor, you're essentially creating a new type that represents the structure of your JSON object. This type is then used to generate a set of functions that allow you to extract values from your JSON data in a type-safe way. The magic happens at compile time, where the Scala compiler generates the necessary code to perform the extraction. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a simple JSON object that represents a user. JSON polyretal T Asia Central code or when name John Doe, age 30, handed occupation software engineer, one long. We can define a typed extractor for this JSON object using a Scala case class. Scala tool case class user name string agent occupation string. With this definition in place, we can now use the typed extractor to extract values from our JSON data. For instance, if we have a Zio Json object that represents the user JSON above, we can use the typed extractor to extract the name value like so. Scala by JSON John Obijan number John Doe, OK, 30, occupation, software engineer. Val user extractor typed extractor user. Containing caption. Val name user extractor extract name long no. As you can see, this is a much more elegant and type-safe way to interact with your JSON data. But that's not all. Typed extractors also support more advanced features like nested objects and arrays. So what are they from? Today's video. Here are the main points. So, typed extractors provide a type-safe way to map between JSON objects and Scala case classes. They work by generating functions at compile time that allow you to extract values from your JSON data. You can define typed extractors for simple JSON objects, as well as more complex nested structures. Using typed extractors simplifies your JSON workflow and reduces the risk of errors. That's it for today's video on Scala. 3 typed extractors for Zio JSON objects. We hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on all things Scala. Don't forget to check out our other videos on Scala, 3 features, and best practices. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.